Hello everyone. Today it's a very nice day in the neighborhood and I will review this baby. This is a Roleiflex. It's called it actually a standard Roleiflex from 1932. It's also called it as K2. I hope everybody is safe. It's very nice outside, but let's make sure you take the measurements to make sure you are protected. You can go around the house if you want, but make sure you got the safety measurements in place. So regarding this one, this is a beauty. The K2, it's got the famous TLR lens on it, and those supposed to be very sharp lenses. So I will put this baby to test, and I'm really curious to see how the picture will end up.